This video is a quick introduction on how to use BigShyft for posting jobs and using other services exclusively tailored for premium recruitment. Let's get started. Firstly, visit our homepage, recruiter.bigshyft.com. Click Login to visit the login page if you are already a registered user, or else you can sign up with this quick registration form. Once you sign up, you can get started by creating a requirement for the position you are hiring. Click on Create Requirement and fill in the required details. You may choose to provide additional details such as benefits, team size, etc. to help us provide you better recommendations, but that's completely optional. Once you are done with creating requirement, our experts will moderate the requirement, ensure that it has the right set of keywords, do a quick check on the quality of candidate recommendations that are getting generated. The content team will take over after that and add a pitch to your job description that is expected to appeal to your target candidates. Post all this moderation, you will start seeing candidate recommendations instantly, and also applies in a day or two. Here, as you can see, you will receive recommendations as auto and hand-picked. Auto recommendations are those which are automatically matched to your mandate through our AI model that matches candidates' skill, will and fit. Under the handpicked section, you will see the recommendations which are manually picked by our experts for your requirement. Remember, our experts are very seasoned technology recruiters, having 20+ years of experience. 85% of candidates recommended or hand-picked by our experts are shortlisted for interview, and 30% of those candidates are hired. In this section, you can write comments about a specific candidate. In case of certain candidates, our experts provide a note, we call it expert notes, regarding the candidate, such as candidate's fitment with startups, communication skills, or anything that might not be apparent through CV. On the left-hand side, as you can see, you can filter the candidates by applying these filters like job role, current location, experience, salary, key skills, companies, institutes, and notice period. Dear recruiters, remember BigShyft provides recommendations of consented and pre-assessed candidates with technical tests required for the position, which saves you from the hassle of screening massive number of CVs, thus make your hiring process quick. So what are you waiting for? Start hiring with BigShyft. If you like this video, share this with your colleagues and make their job easy.